Hello Jollinatics! For today's video, meron kaming isi-share sa inyong Japanese resto na nag-offer ng isa niyata sa mga sulit at reasonable ang price pero quality Japanese food na nakainan namin. Bali dito nga yan sa Sushi Masarap located along Marcos Alvarez Avenue, Las Piñas City. And pagpasok mo naman, ito yung kanilang dining area na vibrant and talaga namang inviting with all their Japanese fixtures and displays. Talaga namang pinag-effortan so that customers can feel that true Japanese resto vibes. Ito naman yung mga menu items nila, i-post nyo na lang. And napansin ko nga rin dito, sobrang dami nilang menu pagdating sa drinks. So tara, simulan na nga natin to. Tikiman time na. Appetizer muna tayo with their kani salad. That is refreshing to start your meal. They also have here tamago nigiri, trio futomaki, and itong California maki na 8 pieces na for 119 pesos lang. Pagdating sa quality at lasa, sulit na yan. Okay nga din yung gyoza nila, gingery and slightly saltier lang compare sa mga ibang gyozang natikman namin, pero still naubos at nagustuhan pa rin yan ni Kuya. Solid and must try nga rin pala tong salmon wrap roll nila. Hindi malangsa, sarap nung mismong sauce, tapos meron parang crunchy texture. Same goes sa kanilang crazy ebi roll. If mahilig ka sa tempura, then malamang magugustuhan mo din to. Kung i-compare mo yung price niya sa lasa at quality, I'd say na talagang sulit na to. We also tried their beef yakisoba, which is also good. Para siyang stir-fry noodles, hindi siya masyadong maalat, saktong tamis at savory lang. Kung may kids naman kayong kasama katulad namin, try their crab stick tempura, and syempre hindi mawawala dyan yung kanilang ebi tempura na both lightly breaded. And yung maganda nga dito, crispy pa rin parehas kahit medyo matagal na namin bago nakain. And since madalas na nga nag-uulan, you can also try their ramen. Kami we tried their shoyu pork and spicy seafood. Firm yung noodles and has both decent flavor ng broth. Ito naman yung ibachi fried rice nila. We tried both ebi tempura and buttered shrimp flavor. Mas bestseller yung ebi tempura pero for some reason mas nagustuhan ko yung buttered shrimp flavor. May mga rice meals nga rin pala sila dito tulad nitong pork katsudon. For me, solid at must try din to. Although sana medyo dagdagan lang yung mismong sauce kasi nabitin ako. Yan, sarap kasi. They also have beef gyudon. Okay naman pero suggest ko lang kainin nyo while it's freshly served and still hot. Last but not the least, and another must try nga rin dito is yung kanilang mga baked sushi. Ito yung kanilang kani mango flavor. Ito yung small size tray. Good for 2 to 3 persons na yan. Generous yung serving. Masarap yung timpla nila. Pwedeng pampasalubong o di kaya naman panghandaan. For their drinks naman, as what I mentioned, daming pagpipilian kaya kayo na lang yung bahala. Pero if you want some recommendations, I'd say go for their Yakult series. Ang sarap niyan. By the way, they also have their other branch sa Makati. Ito yung address. Available for deliveries through Grab and Foodpanda. Pero dito sa Las Piñas branch, Foodpanda pa lang yung available sila. So there you go, Jollinatics. Sana nabigyan na naman namin kayo ng idea kung saan may sulit, affordable, and quality Japanese resto na saktong-sakto para sa mga biglaang Japanese food cravings mo. Kung natakamat nag-enjoy nga kayo sa video na to, please don't forget to like, share, and follow our page for more videos like this. And as always, thank you so much for watching!